What do you want to say to the people? Huh? You tell them? Well, let's hear it. You gonna tell them? Well, go on then. Everybody, this is Spazz, for those of you that don't know. Spazz likes to be in video without being in video, so if you go to directly put it on him, he ain't really about it. But if he hears you and sees you recording long enough, then he's got to let everybody know he's part of the video too. So I figured we'd just make him part of the video. And then he goes flying around, acting all crazy. Spazz. But that is my butt head of a Quaker parrot.